You are not busy, you are doing $10 task, which means a low value task, and I'll prove it to you. I'll give you two examples based on what you do on daily basis. First manually and then using with AI. Now you decide which one you want to live with. Let's start with something simple, that is replying to an email. Context is you have a client and you want to give him the project update, and then also you want to attach the last report, project report. I will say, hi John, thanks for your email. I will check and get back. I hereby attach. Oh no, this is not looking great. So I will say also attaching last report. Yeah, this looks good. Oh, spelling mistake. Oh, some grammatical mistake. Okay, now it is corrected. Thanks, Gmail. And then you are saying that if you need anything, please let me know. It is not looking impressive. Let me change it. Let me know if anything else required. 5-10 minutes are gone easily. So you have spent around 5 to 10 minutes, right? And you are typing, thinking whether the client will feel good or bad. You have so many things. So not only time, you are spending more time, but you are also having that cognitive stress. Like you are banging your head whether it is good or not, right? And now let's switch this and do it with AI. Now watch this. Write an email to the client. His name is John, and he has requested project report, last project report, and he also wants an update, current update. So attach the report for him and acknowledge his request, and clearly mention the next step and keep the tone confident and concise. All right. So it has given this email. So report and the status update. This is project report and status. This is perfectly fine. Then John, I'm doing well as requested as the report. In terms of status, we have doing this. Immediate next step is this. Please feel free. Okay. So it has given a concise report. You can use as it is, or if you, I prefer to put the bullet points. So I will say, rewrite this email and give the next steps in bullet points. So that is the refinement that you can do, but this is also perfectly fine if this is the way you want to send. Okay, now let's take the second example where you are taking the notes you have attended a meeting and you have taken the action items, what you need to do in that meeting. You have taken the notes. So this is how your notes looks like, and you will say, okay, client wants fast delivery, and then price concern, follow up next week, and then you will say, okay, client wants fast delivery. So this is the concern. What should I do? Okay, leave it now. Let's see what next time he's saying we will do accordingly. Right now, I'm not clear. You will go to the next price concern. Okay, this is the another concern. I can't do much over here. Let's wait for my supervisor to tell me something. Okay, so you are waiting. You are taking the notes, but there is no clear action item because you are thinking and you are not getting the right objective out of it. Then follow up next week. You will do share proposal. Oh yeah, this is the important. I don't know how to do this. Okay, so let me do it by and you will take some time by 4 p.m. Attend meeting at 11. Oh, this is important. I need to prepare. Okay, so you will say prepare for the demo or something, whatever you want to say in the meeting, and then raise defect. Okay, then you will say, okay, raise defect, let me do it first. This is a quick task. So this is how you are managing your day-to-day notes list when you are having the action items. Now this is the manual process. Now see it how AI can help you here. Convert the following meeting notes into structured action items. Include the priority, owner, and deadline. If there is no deadline missing, assume a reasonable. And then I will add my notes. And done. Without having any cognitive stress, you are seeing that it has clearly mentioned what are the action items like improved delivery timeline, and you don't know what to do. It is giving the description. Analyze the current delivery bottleneck and propose a fast execution plan. How beautiful it is. And is high priority, owner, deadline. So what you will do is you will copy this and paste it in your Excel sheet, and then you can change the owner. If you want to do it for yourself, then give your name. To delegate to someone, say John, so you can add the name. So you got the idea, right? How easy it is without any bottleneck, without any thinking, you are getting this output. Look at this. AI has converted your messy notes into structured action items. Now it is clear to you what exactly you need to do without thinking much about it, right? And this is the power. Most people take it wrong. They think that AI will do your task faster, but it is structuring your thought process and giving you exactly what you need to do. It is removing the task which you should never do. Ask yourself, if you keep doing your $10 task, then you will do that $1,000 thinking. Now onwards, before taking any of the tasks, think yourself, Ask yourself these questions, whether I should do this task or this can be done by AI. Follow me, subscribe to this channel to become that AI leverage professional.